Hello everyone, my name is Baral Karmazin and I am happy to present our Click2Sign feature. Priority's Click2Sign component allows your customer to approve documents sent by email from your Priority system by signing directly from their computer or mobile device. With Click2Sign, your customers will not have to print, manually sign, scan, and email documents in return. This solution also saves you the effort of locating the relevant document in your Priority and saving the signed document in the attachment of that document. So let's see how that works. I prepare price quote as usual and send it via email to the end customer. Sending the quote can be done by activating the printing procedure and then choosing the email option, or automatically using a BPM rule. System is now generating an email with a PDF attachment of the quotation to be sent to the end customer. Now I'm changing my role and I'm presenting as the end customer who just received an email from the vendor with an attachment of the price quotation. So the end customer just received this email with the quotation. I go over the quotation, everything looks okay, and I would like to approve it. I have this new clickable button, Sign Now. I simply click on that. This takes me to a designated page in which I have to identify myself. So I choose as the end user, I choose my account, and then the system redirects me to another page which shows all the details. I see it's a price quotation. I see who is the vendor who sent me the quotation. I see all the details. And then I can simply click the Sign Here button in order to sign and approve the quotation. So I'm signing my quotation and I click on OK. Once signed, three things happen behind the scenes. One is that the end customer receives an email confirming he approved the quotation. Two, the relevant user in your Priority system receives an email informing him that the customer has approved the quotation. The relevant user in Priority is identified as the one assigned to this quotation in the system. And the third thing is that the system saves the printout format with the customer signature as an attachment in Priority. That's all. Very easy, short, modern, and efficient. I would like to show you, if I go back to Priority and look at the attachment, I have now a new attachment. If I open it, you will see the same printout, but this time with my signature. In the exact same way, I, as the end customer, can also work from the mobile. On my mobile phone, I received an email with a quotation. I can open the attachment from my mobile phone with the quotation, and in case I would like to approve it, I click on the Sign Now. And exactly in the same way, it takes me to a designated page in which I see all the details of the quotation. And I can simply click on Sign Here in order to sign. That's it. Important to note that the Click2Sign component can be applied to any document in Priority, not just quotations. So if you have custom-made processes developed specifically for you, this component is available for them as well. On our expert, you can find detailed explanations on how to set up the Click2Sign. You simply need to write here Click2Sign on the search bar, and you'll find all the help you need. This component is included in the basic Priority package. In case you don't have it, please contact us and we'll be happy to add it to your license free of charge.